I like how there are wasps building nests in his chest.
It's because it's the horse of death and it will kill us all.
No, I hate wasps.
This is the horse of doom and death and destruction that will gallop in and kill us all during the ceremony. Because that's what it does. It's just a doomy horse.
We're all doomed. And that's the man with no change. I got no change. Oh, I see. So you can see from either angle. It's a woman one way.
Yep.
I see. So it's asexual.
It's not technically asexual, it's
It's bisexual.
no, it's
Lady boy.
yeah. What's the correct word for having both sets?
Hermaphrodite.
Yeah, hermaphrodite.
The scary bunnies are over that way.
Can we go and see them?
Do you want to?
Yeah.
They go quite wild in places, doesn't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
These bunnies are quite horrifying.
Echo.
They've got tits.
They're pretty scary.
Is that one sleeping at the front?
So, I don't know what any of them are doing.
They're just being bad and wrong and unsettling. Why does this bunny have tits? And this one's waiting to be pleasured.
It'd be completely wonderful if one of them was a man in a suit.
Yeah.
And he ran at you.
Oh, that was terrifying.
Jesus,
It'd be wonderful.
that'd be absolutely horrifying.
It would. You'd jump proper.
Christ. Can we go around this way or we're going back?
I don't think we can go around this way,
Okay,
actually.
let's go back again.
I want to take a photo of that crane. I'm going to sneak off into that bush and have a fag.
Yeah, I think it's likely that I will be doing something like that. It's either that or I'm going to need to get patches because I'm not going to spend the day without nicotine. To add to my anxiety levels. And I'll just have like my arms
Or get
covered,
some gum.
covered in patches.
Get some gum.
Oh yeah. Or actually I could get one of those inhaler things.
Yeah.
That would work. In the absence of being able to smoke
I would
properly.
hate just to rent this place out and then abuse it.
No, I know, I don't want to get in trouble. I just know that I'm going to be standing there going, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, and I'm going to really want a cigarette.
Yeah.
I'll get an inhaler, it'll be fine.
Yeah,
Or
if you try and do
or
it
a
out,
pipe.
if you try and do it out by the ceremony site, there's going to be people out there and they're going to see you.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'll get an inhaler thing, it'll be great. Some pretty loud bugs you got out there.
Mm-hmm.
Robot bugs. With vocoders by the sounds of it. Yes. We're gonna nick it.
waterfall.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Okay.
This is where we'll be?
Yep.
On water.
Yep. I'll use my Super Jesus powers. I was going to levitate just over there. Kirsten's going to have a ball of fire over here. It'll be brilliant.
Then I'm gonna go fishing.
Yep. Well, if I get cold feet at the last minute, I can dive in and swim away to freedom. Well, so can you. It's just that you're going to be in a wedding dress, so you could sink to freedom.
You catch your own lunch and drink full of lobster.
That'd be pretty sweet. That's a big segue you got there, buddy.
You have a webcam, don't you?
What?
You have
Well,
a webcam.
Yeah, my laptop's got one built in as well, plus we can
Okay.
probably pick one up for 20 bucks.
That's alright, I'm just thinking we've got to sort out your mother.
Yep.
Miriam's probably the best one.
Okay.
She actually knows what she's doing. with
Yep.
regards to it.
We'll get it working. Rightio, I'm going to stop filming.
It'll be really nice.